Good morning, class. My name is Ujjwal Kumar. I am from BCA 6th semester from Civil Professional College, Patna, and I am here going to explain the code for a joystick with motor driver. How we can control a motor driver with the joystick. So here is our Arduino IDE screen. So first, we have listened the pin configuration for motor A in a concept modulative. Here we have listened the pin configuration for motor B. We have defined the joystick input for vertical and horizontal movement. Here we have mentioned the motor. Here we have declared the motor position at the middle position, that is 512. In the setup section, we have enabled all the pin configuration for motor A and motor B. At first, this is the configuration for motor A and motor B. At first, we have set it as low. At start, it will not go, but it will as in rest condition. Further, moving in the loop section, we have defined the analog read for vertical and horizontal movement of the motor A and B. We have taken a condition: if the drive was vertical speed is less than 460, then it will move in the backward direction. And again we have set the vertical and horizontal position for the joystick to make the motor moves in the reverse direction. Here we have used the map to map the motor speed with the joystick. In this L6 block, we have written the code for the forward movement of the motor with the help of the joystick. In this else block, we have written the condition to stop the motor. And in this else block, we have set a condition: if the drive was horizontal, that is reverse. In the if condition, if block, we have set the condition that if its value is less than 460, then it will move in the left direction, that is reverse. Then again we use the map function. After that, we have taken a else if block in which we have mentioned if the drive was horizontal is maximum than 564, then it will move in the for the left movement of the motor. We have stated the condition: if the drive force is less than 460, then the motor will revolve in the left direction. And in this else if block, we have written the code for the right movement of the motor driver. We have stated the condition: if the drive force is maximum than 564, then the motor will move in the rightward direction. And after the ending of the else if block, we have written the statement to stop the motor. That's all. Thank you. Here is the real implementation of this motor driver with the joystick. It's going to explain by Saurabh. Here we have collected the physical implementation of this code, where we uses the joystick analog pins to the vertical analog and horizontal analog to the pin analog number 0 and analog pin number 1. As well as we have set up the ground to the ground of the board, microprocessor board, and the 5-volt power supply given by the board to the driver. Here is the motor driver which controls the power and the operations over the motor, Neo motors, which is controlled by the joystick. First of all, we will move the joystick into the forward direction. You can see the output is given to the motor by the motor driver to the motor, and the wheel is moving to the forward direction. Both wheels is moving to the forward direction. Now we will pull back the joystick. Then the motor driver will instruct the motor to rotate the motor in the reverse direction.
Now I will turn the joystick to the right. Only the right side of the motor will rotate in the forward direction. And when I rotate the joystick to the left side of the motor will work only. That's all. Thank you.